Hello, family and friends. Welcome back to my channel, Business for Profit. Before P, where we discuss profitable business. We discuss the best place for your business, the best product, the best process, the best price, and I tell you, my dear friends, the best people to work with. Thank you very much, my returning subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for liking, and thank you for sharing my video. I tell you, I'm here again with another profitable business. Wow! Do you know you can become a millionaire? You can multiply your millions. Do you know that you can do this just by choosing pig fattening? With pig fattening, you can multiply your millions. Now let's go straight to business. The first point I'm bringing to you, dear friends, is pig selection. In pig fattening, where you can make your millions, you have to select particular type of pigs. If you have watched my previous video, I was discussing mother pig winners, 8 weeks, 10 weeks winners. But I tell you, this one, we are not discussing mother pig. Nothing like winners. No. The selection we are talking about here is growers, 3 to 4 months pigs. I'm talking about pigs that will have weighed 25 to 30 kg. And that is the right pig, that is the right category for this business. So if you want a better understanding, you can check my previous video where I mentioned how you can choose your space, how you can choose your attendants. I really discussed that in my previous video. So for this business that we are doing right away, so select a good grower about 3 to 4 months. After selection, we go to feed formulation. Yet in pig fattening, feed formulation is key, because in pig fattening you are targeting the markets, and in pig fattening you don't have any time to waste. We are looking at a situation where you can raise the grower's pig for just 4 months, maximum 5 months to market. Yes. Okay, for example, if our grass is 30 kg, we are looking at how we can feed them to 60 kg, for example, and set them off and make your millions. So feeding is very, very important. I want you to watch this video so that you can understand the kind of pig selection you need for your pig fattening and the kind of feed formulation. Stay and watch the video. Hello friends, now you have the idea of pig selection, the pig to select. You also know the feed formulation. But friends, don't forget to subscribe. No, this is a video you have to share with your friends. We need more millionaires. Share, subscribe. So back to business. Now I want to talk about breakdown. For this business, I want to work with 25 growers. You know what I mean by growers? 25. One pig costs 20,000 naira, and we are working with 25 growers. So that is 25 times 20,000 naira. That is 500,000. Now for the feed formulation, I'm going to work with 50,000 naira for 4 months. 50,000 naira times 4 months, that is 200,000 naira. I'm going to add a backup of 50,000 to cover the attendants, the vet doctor, the drugs, the water, and so on. 50,000 naira. So let's do the addition. 500,000 plus 200,000 plus 50,000. That is 750,000 naira. That's your pig fattening. You need 750,000. I didn't want to give you the breakdown of the feed, the kilo breakdown of the feed. PKC 100 kg, bread 50 kg, corn and corn over 50 kg, food fat soya 10 kg, your Teratiga grower. Now we are going to use Teratiga grower 25 kg, premix, salt, calcium 5 kg. That means you have an average of 250 kg of feed to feed your growers. Don't forget, we are still going to add wastes. You can either add bewing waste, you can add cassava waste or yam waste. All these are also very important and can be purchased. So with this, let us look at our profitability. Now, remember I said the target of pig fattening is to sell at the market. Our focus is the market, so profitability. Now, with this feed formulation, we will have been able to raise these pigs from an average of 25-30 kg to 60 kg. Right now, pigs sell at 1,000 naira per kg. Now, let us do the calculation. 1,000 naira per kg times 60 kg animal, that is 60,000 naira. Now, we have worked with 25 growers. 25 growers times 60,000 naira, that is 1.5 million. Wow! 1.5 million, that's good cash. You need to share this video. Now, do you know one thing, friends? You can do this again and again in a year. You can do this twice, 3 times in a year. Your 750,000 naira can reach to 1.5 to 3M, 3M to 6M. Wow! I've also added that even if you're going to have additional expenses, it might be plus or minus 50,000 naira. What are you waiting for, friends? What are you waiting for? It is time to start a business. Do you have any question? Put in the comment section. I am going to answer your question. Or you want to put a call through, or you want to do WhatsApp, I'm going to put my number there so that you can reach me. Or do you need farmer to partner with for this business? You can also reach